It's fine, we've got a couple of hours. Might be okay. It's just so you can say that you're like king of the castle. Oh, I've got another torch now. It's a good job I've got helpers over here. Welcome to the North Pennines. Hello, welcome to our channel Wandering Adventures. Today we are in the North Pennines, which is an area of outstanding natural beauty. We've driven up here to do a stargazing experience tonight. I mean, the weather's not looking great, but we've stopped by Egglestone Abbey just on the way, and it is amazing. There is a car park just over there. It's free for National Heritage members or £2 otherwise, and you just pay on an app. Oh, it's just started raining. Really good for the stars. Oh, it's bigger than it looked actually. In the church. Oh wow, this is so cool. It's very different to the one in Leeds.
Yeah, it's a roof over there.
Oh, whoa! That's so cool. Just a creepy little room in there that I'm not going to go in. Venturing up these stairs. It's quite good handles actually. No wonder I could hear it. That's quite a big weir actually in that river. Lovely views. It's very, very misty, but it's nice. Now it's raining.
Just looking forward to these dark skies.
Yep. It's fine, we've got a couple of hours. Might be okay. It's not looking good. Quite interesting actually.
Yep. The lads.
What did you do? Just pop a squat over there?
Yeah.
I mean, at least you've got a nice view. Loo with a view.
Or it could be thinner. So is that why they always built them really wide?
Technically speaking.
So you can actually walk from here to the castle. It's about a 40-minute walk if you go on the English Heritage website, which is where I found this place. It gives you more of the information. We're probably going to get back in the car because it's started to rain quite heavily now. So yeah, we'll go and try and see some other places. bit soggy now. It's a very peaceful little park. So we have just missed it. It is closed, but we can still see all of the outside. It's a pretty nice castle. But are you okay?
Testing my eyesight at Barnard Castle.
First snowdrops of the year. They're not quite bloomed yet. Do you know, I think that's the first time I've ever seen snowdrops in the wild. Oh, the daffodils there. Just see the river through the trees. It's a huge, huge river. So this is the River Tees. We're going to try and go down this path and see if we can get a bit closer to it. It did say really strong currents. So is it always like that? It does look very high. Oh, that building's really cute. I'm not sure what it is. That's all you wanted, isn't it? A stick.
I needed. That's what I needed.
It's benches with sculptures on. Oh, that one's cool. Is it just a piece of art? Oh, it's got fish.
Designed by the primary school.
Designed by the primary school?
Yeah.
Oh. Overlooking the river. That's really nice. Roman Way picnic site. Doesn't quite look like that now. So there's the bridge. We were walking the wrong way before to see it. Okay, the castle looks quite cool coming back up this way. Over this bridge.
I don't think they're ready for a day out.
So you can see quite a lot of the castle just by walking around the outside, which is really nice. And then you've got the river on one side and the castle, and we're just walking up to the bridge now. He's found a path. It's just so you can say that you're like king of the castle. It's a nice little route for you. It'd be a good bridge for poo sticks. You need a big stick though.
That little speck there is Jasmine.
I love how the roadside's still up. So we walked down here past the castle, past the bridge. We're just up here walking back up, and then on this sign as well you've got Egglestone Abbey, which we've just been to, Bowes Castle, which we might stop by on the way, time dependent, and then we'll be driving past the observatory, which that looks beautiful, lovely. Not sure we're going to be able to see anything, to be honest. This is a lovely little town. Antiques. So it's a Saturday, but most of the shops are already closed. They all closed at 4 o'clock, especially the independent shops, which is a bit strange for a weekend, but I wonder if they increase their hours in the summer. It is winter and it is freezing and there's no one around.
So, hoping to see some stars. We can't see the end of the street because of all the fog.
I've got lights coming at me from everywhere. So we've just arrived at Force Waterfall. It is very, very foggy. Not sure we're going to be able to see anything, but we're going to go in and register. Let us know we're here. I've got so many torches. It's really, really dark. Obviously, we're in a dark skies area, so we'll see what we can see.
And it makes that journey around the sun once every 365 and a quarter days. So there's a 6 hour, that's a quarter day. Every 4 years, those quarter days add up to an extra day, and we tag it on to the end of February, just like we've done this year. Once again, our friend caught sight of our little blue dot friend here, which we've just introduced ourselves to, the planet Earth.
Off we go. Got the torches. Safety first. So we've just been inside having a presentation about the solar system. You probably can't see us now because it's dark and we're outside. Now we're heading down to the waterfall with our torches.
Are your batteries run out?
It went off then.
It's probably because you turned it too far.
No.
You turned it more to a spotlight because it's a magnet.
I wouldn't want to be out here on my own anyway. This torch is not very, it's not very bright. Imagine if it was just us and this one little torch.
It's a beam torch.
Must be getting closer, it's getting very loud.
I don't think that's it. It's a supplement.
Yeah, she's going to turn the lights on so we can see down these steps.
Yeah, alright.
Literally as soon as she turns the light on. Oh wow!
Oh my god, that's amazing.
Whoa!
What's his step, Jazz?
Yeah, this is very slippy. Okay, concentrate. Wow. Don't know how much of that you can see because it is obviously still really dark apart from the small light she's just put on. But that is insane. Oh wow. Everything is very slippery. I mean, we can't see any stars because it's so foggy and the water spray is just bouncing off the light. But it's pretty cool to be here in the waterfall, especially at night when nobody can really come down here. Those rocks are incredibly slippy as well at the minute because of the rain. So it's not quite the stargazing experience we were hoping for, because you cannot see anything. So the waterfall is pretty cool. It did take us 3 and a bit hours to get here. To not see much, but I can't predict the weather. So I hope that you probably can't see me very well here. It's not quite been the experience that we thought it was going to be, but we can't predict the weather and the cloud cover's not been great. Oh, I've got another torch now. So good job I've got helpers over here. But this waterfall is absolutely amazing, so it was worth the journey anyway. Thank you so much for watching, and